Welcome to Car Insights, a channel dedicated to exploring the latest innovations in automotive design and technology. Today we take a close look at the anticipated 2025 Tesla Model S car that has captured the attention of enthusiasts and experts alike. The 2025 Tesla Model S is an embodiment of futuristic design and cutting-edge engineering that offers remarkable performance, advanced safety features, and a luxurious driving experience. In this review we will explore the design elements, specifications, and state-of-the-art technologies that make this electric vehicle a standout in its class, while also highlighting the driving experience that sets it apart from its competitors. The design of the 2025 Tesla Model S is both elegant and purposeful, with an emphasis on aerodynamics and efficiency. Its sleek profile is crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring that every curve and contour contributes to optimal performance and visual appeal. The absence of a traditional grille signals its electric nature and enhances its modern aesthetic. Smooth lines flow from the front to the rear, creating an impression of continuous motion even when the car is stationary. The use of lightweight materials not only improves efficiency but also reinforces structural integrity to provide maximum safety without adding unnecessary weight. Step inside the cabin and the transformation continues, with an interior that is both spacious and technologically advanced. The design has been reimagined to maximize comfort and convenience for both driver and passengers. A large central touchscreen controls entertainment, navigation, climate settings, and various vehicle functions with intuitive ease. The minimalist layout ensures that the driver can focus on the road while still enjoying all the amenities that the car offers. Premium materials cover the surfaces, and seats are ergonomically designed to provide comfort on long journeys. Clever storage solutions have been integrated throughout the cabin, making everyday use effortless and practical. Performance in the 2025 Tesla Model S is nothing short of extraordinary. At its heart lies an advanced battery system that delivers impressive range and rapid acceleration. The electric motors produce a smooth yet powerful drive that propels the car with instantaneous torque and remarkable efficiency. Drivers can experience exhilarating acceleration that rivals some of the world's fastest sports cars, while benefiting from the quiet and refined operation of an electric powertrain. The precision-engineered suspension and low center of gravity work in harmony to provide agile handling and a balanced ride in all driving conditions, whether on the highway or through winding roads. Technology plays a pivotal role in elevating the overall experience of the 2025 Model S. The car comes equipped with a sophisticated autopilot system that employs a network of sensors and advanced algorithms to assist with driving tasks. This technology is designed to enhance safety through features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision avoidance. The integration of these smart features means that the car is continually monitoring its environment and can provide timely alerts to the driver. In addition, the Model S offers seamless connectivity with real-time navigation updates and media streaming options that keep drivers informed and entertained throughout their journey. Safety has always been a cornerstone of Tesla's philosophy, and the 2025 Model S upholds this tradition with a comprehensive suite of features. Reinforced structures, strategic airbag placement, and advanced driver assistance systems all contribute to a robust safety framework. These features work together to protect occupants by minimizing impact forces in the event of a collision. The car's technology-driven safety enhancements further reduce risks by actively monitoring the surroundings and providing support in critical situations. With an emphasis on both passive and active safety measures, the Model S sets a new standard in the electric vehicle segment. The 2025 Tesla Model S is a testament to Tesla's relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence. It blends cutting-edge design, high-performance technology, and exceptional safety into a single package that appeals to both car enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Every aspect of this vehicle has been engineered to deliver an experience that is both thrilling and reassuring. Whether it is the dynamic acceleration, the futuristic interior, or the advanced driver assist systems, each element contributes to an overall sense of superiority that defines the future of electric mobility. Thank you for joining us for this review of the 2025 Tesla Model S on Car Insights, a channel where automotive passion meets expert analysis. We are committed to bringing you the latest news, reviews, and insights from the world of cars. If you enjoyed this overview and want to stay updated on the newest developments in automotive technology, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue to provide comprehensive reviews on the cars that are shaping the future of transportation.